Dramatic news today by Pfizer saying they have a vaccine which is 90% effective against COVID. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian McDonough. I've been giving you reports and updates since January. Most of the reports have really not been positive. We've been struggling. This is excellent news, especially when you consider that we have about 120 to 130,000 cases every day in the United States, and we are losing 2,000 people every day in the United States. This is something we need, and we need right away. It will take some time to be released. It has to be tested. We got to make sure it's safe. When this vaccine goes out, it will probably go to people who have comorbid conditions. These are the people who have diabetes, heart disease, chronic illnesses, people who are obese. They're really setups for COVID to attack them aggressively. Following that group, you'll see the healthcare workers, the first responders, the people on the front lines to try to protect them because they're at great risk. And little by little, it'll be released into the society. Now, here's a couple important points. First of all, if it's 90% effective, it's probably better than any flu vaccine we've ever had, and it certainly will act rapidly. When you look at something like the measles vaccine, that was like 95 to 97% effective, and we essentially wiped it off the map. So we theoretically could really do a big job against COVID. It's a vaccine that would have to be given in 2 doses, probably about 3 weeks apart, but you need the country to buy in. And that may not be as easy as we think. There's a lot of skepticism out there. There's been a lot of anti-science talk over the last couple of years. So what we need to do is try to explain to people the importance of this vaccine. That will be a public education campaign. There'll be lots of conversations with people like me trying to explain what's going on. And finally, most important, this is not the time to go out and celebrate, to take off your mask, to put yourself at risk. In fact, it would be tragic if you get the virus now when we're so close to something that could help. So please, for the sake of yourself, your family, your loved ones, you know the rules. Wear a mask, social distance, wash your hands, use common sense. But there is definitely light at the end of the tunnel.